Hello everyone, welcome to this timeless pick a card reading. So whichever day you're watching this video, it is applicable for the next 10 to 12 days from then. So this is a pick a card reading. I'm using my symbol augury card and you have to choose from these 12 cards. So this is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are your 12 cards. You have to choose 3 out of these 12 cards. Okay? Choose any of the 3 numbers between 1 to 12 and these cards are assigned for that. And I am also giving you 3 combinations. You have to choose one combination from those 3 combinations. Okay, so those 3 combinations are for the cards 1, 5, 9. That is one combination, 1, 5, 9. Second combination is 4, 7, 10. 1, 5, 9, 4, 7, 10. And the third combination I am giving you is 6, 8, 12. 1, 5, 9, 4, 7, 10, 6, 8, 12. These are 3 combinations that I am giving you. You have to choose one combination from there and choose 3 cards from these 12 cards. So that way you have 2 options here. 3 out of 12 cards and 1 out of the 3 choices that I have given you. Okay. So I hope you have picked your number and the 3 choices, 3 set of cards that I have given you. Let's open the cards and read one by one. First card is secret, money second, third is time, fourth is strength, 5 is war, 6 forgiveness, 7 is focus, 8 is third eye, 9th is health, 10th is freedom, 11th is cord, and 12th is insomnia. Oh my goodness. Okay, so alright, now let's understand these cards. What do they mean for you? If you have chosen any, I hope you have chosen these any of these 3 cards. You might have chosen by now. Okay, so the people who chose number 1, people see you as a secret. There is a lot of secret inside. People want to understand your personality. What are you thinking? They want to know you. Probably the main issue people are facing with you is that you don't disclose what is inside your head, and probably that you don't communicate well. So you are a kind of a closed box. You need to really open up that. It will be easy for you to, it will be easy for people also to understand, as well as it will be easy for you to deal with people. Okay, so there are things that you're holding on to inside. It's time for you to open your box. Okay, second card is money. So I think within these 10-12 days, make sure that you are, in fact, rather I would say you are going to attract opportunities that will help you to attract money, earn money, money related opportunities, maybe job or some new business or something of that sort. Some sort of opportunity is coming your way. So keep an eye towards it. Okay. Third is time. So people who have chosen number 3, it's time for you to take the necessary action that you were supposed to take, but you have not. Probably what am I getting is, in case you're thinking of learning something new, maybe you're thinking of communicating your viewpoints. It's time. The divine timing is here. These 10-12 days, please do that. Do not wait. Do not wait any longer than these 10-12 days, because your time will go. Okay, so it is time for you to come out of your comfort zone and speak out and learn something new, or maybe acquire some new knowledge. Whatever you are thinking of that you're trying to procrastinate, now the divine timing for that has come. Fourth is strength. So basically this is to do with your health. your physical strength, your mother's health, your family health. Do something in terms of diet, maybe exercises or yoga or gymming or something. Add that into your routine. Take care of your mother's health, your family's health, your own health. And it is also to do with your, if you can see, the strength card is shown with muscles. So this is not just physical muscle or biceps and triceps, but this is also inner muscles, inner engineering, inner strength. Okay, so work on that inner strength also. Probably, what happens is many a times things happen, things don't go as per our plan, and our inner strength goes haywire. So just take care of that. Number 5 is war. Probably you are at war with your own self. You are conflicted inside. Also, you're at conflict with somebody else. So there's some sort of cold war. I can see. Maybe this is more to do with you saying something and the other person saying something. So there's a conversation war and some criticism around you. So these 10-12 days you have to pay real attention on this. Your combination along with this number 5 and the other combinations that you have chosen, the other 2 cards that you might have chosen, or the combination out of those 3 combinations that I gave, if you have chosen what actually it talks about, you'll have to pay attention to that. But it seems that you are conflicted, and these 10-12 days, please make sure that you come out of that inner conflict, come out of that comfort zone of yours, and work towards that war. Be at peace. It's very important. Number 6 is forgiveness. Forgiveness is a very, it is an act of freedom. It is an act which actually talks about forgiving self and forgiving others, forgiving your past. It's very important. Most of the times we carry the burden of our past unnecessarily, and that stops us from growing and attracting better opportunities in terms of money, in terms of relationship, new job, new business. Whatever has happened, just forgive your past, forgive the people who have come into your life, might have tormented you or whatever it is. There's no point staying with that energy anymore. Okay, so forgive self and others. To be forgiveness is equal to freedom, kind of complete energetic freedom. So have a forgiveness prayer, 1 minute to 2 minutes of forgiveness prayer for self. Number 7 is focus. You need to have focus, discipline, target towards everything that you do in your lifetime. Your focus has to be on your study, on your career, on the target that you have set for yourself. You don't have to be directionless. These 10-12 days, make sure that your focus is very clear. You single-mindedly are moving towards that particular exam of life that you have to give. It can be a genuine exam, maybe some sort of competition that you're going to give, or maybe in the interviews, for the interviews you have to study. So have your focus straight. There are many deviations, seems that there are many deviations in your life, and the cards are asking you to stay focused, stay single-minded and targeted towards it. Number 8 is third eye. Please work towards decalcifying your third eye, activating and balancing your third eye. Excuse me. Third eye is not just the seat of intuition or inner voice, but it is also the point. Pineal gland is the place where all sorts of planning happens. The future planning that you do, your 3 years, 5 years, 10 years down the line, your time management, your organizing of life, that happens from the subconscious side of your life. Okay, your belief system and everything that guides your life is actually culminated as third eye in terms of this symbol augury card. So plan your life and work towards your spiritual health also. Okay, so maybe you can breathe from your third eye. Third eye is your pineal gland, or rather between the center of your forehead. Okay. Number 9 is health. Please pay attention to your health for these 10-12 days. Yoga, exercises, healing, energy healing also. Health is not just that, it is health and healing. So if you have chosen number 4 also, that it means that health and healing has to be your priority. So this is number 9, and it is talking about healing and health. Okay, Pay attention to your diet, your lifestyle. I don't know why am I getting three of cups. So three of cups is like partying hard and drinking a lot, smoking a lot. But here it is. I just don't know why am I getting. When I'm seeing these three circles, I'm actually getting three of cups as the as your visual. Okay, so please make sure that even if you go out for partying, you're drinking or you're smoking, please take care of your health. Okay, some sort of healing is very important here. It's kind of a warning. So 10-12 days, make sure that you are taking care of your health, and everybody's. Number 10 is freedom. So freedom, these 10-12 days are your days of giving yourself a break from your work. Think of some creative flight that you can take, creative flight, imaginary flight that you can take to create something, because when we create something new, we really feel free. We don't feel confiscated into the discipline of the office, or the housework, or whatever work you're doing of your business, or maybe your relationship. When you paint, you feel free. When you forgive, you feel free. When you heal, you feel free. When you do something new, you feel free. Best thing to do is 10-12 days. These 10-12 days, please make sure that you strive towards finding out your soul purpose. That sets you free ultimately. Creative pursuits and knowing about your soul purpose, that will set you free. Okay, number 11 is cord. This is energetic cord. So please, these 10-12 days, make sure that twice a day you cut your energetic negative energy cords with anyone. You are at conflict with people, or you thinking good or bad about anybody. I mean, your family members, your spouse, your children, your parents, your loved ones, your past relationship, your boss, your colleague, whatever it is. The more you think good or bad, or you feel good or bad about anybody, you come in touch. The moment you come in touch with somebody, your energy gets engaged with that person. Okay, and then that is how your karma starts to flow. That this is a big theory. It is a concept that needs to be understood, but here it is very important for you, the people who have chosen number 11, that you cut your cords, negative energy cords, with everyone, every day in the night before you sleep. Okay, so cut negative energy cords with everybody you would have met, interacted, thought, felt about during the day, and free yourself. So, in case you have chosen forgiveness as the card, the number 6 or maybe number 10, and cord is also there. Okay, so this means that you need to forgive yourself, cut your cord so that you can set yourself free. So, some energetic healing is required, and these 10-12 days, once you cut your cords, you will be able to attract more abundance and prosperity in your life. Okay, coming on to number 12, astrologically also number 12, or the 12th house, is the house of insomnia, subconscious dreams. Okay, worry, expenses. Okay, so insomnia is a card which is actually telling me that you're thinking too much on something, you're worried about something, you have a guilt of something, you feel mentally blocked, and that will affect your health. So in case you have chosen number 4 or number 9 and insomnia also, that means this insomnia thing or overthinking thing, sleeplessness, is actually affecting your health. What you can do is breathe from your third eye. When you finally sleep, go to the bed, close your eyes, focus at your third eye, breathe from your third eye, you'll feel much calmer. Okay, and you'll fall asleep also. Okay, so whatever guilt and regrets you are entertaining, that doesn't make sense. It is anyways hampering your health. Okay, and not just physical health, your mental health also, your spiritual, psychological health also. Whatever mistakes you have done, just forgive yourself. If I talk about an overall card that I brought, I drew for everybody, was self-love. So whether you are not able to forgive yourself, you are at war, you are not able to, your health is not good, or you're not able to focus, or you're not able to communicate well, you're keeping things to your own self, you're not able to sleep, or you're not able to set yourself free from your issues, the first step towards any sort of healing is self-love. This is an overall card applicable to everybody. Self-love, there is no replacement of it, there's no substitute for it. So this is an overall card for all of us for these from whichever day you are seeing because this video is a timeless this reading is a timeless reading. So for the next 10 to 12 days, make sure that self-love is your central theme, and then comes whichever choice you have made, okay, out of these three. So I hope we are just done with the 3 out of 12 cards choice. Now the 3 choices, 3 combinations that I gave you, let's deal with that. I hope you have chosen one of these 3 combinations. The first combination was 1, 5, 9. Okay, so this talks about that, probably whatever you are at war with, or whatever people have said something, is you're simply not able to disclose that. What are you going through inside, and what has been done to you, whatever it is, whatever is happening in your environment, you're simply keeping it a secret, and that is affecting your health, and that's not advisable. And this is actually affecting not just your physical but mental health also, energetic health, psychological health, spiritual health also. So whatever you are at war with, making self-love as the central theme, please make sure that you win this battle with your own self first, because with the help of self-love. Okay, the second combination was 4, 7, 10. So strength, focus, freedom. So now it is time for you to really focus on your family, your own health, diet, lifestyle, etc., because that will lead to a lot of creative freedom. Probably you're not free, you're not focused, and not taking care of your own physical health and your inner muscles the way you think. Okay, because strength and health card are almost the same. So number 9 and number 4 cards are almost the same, and similar is the thing, because if you really want to be free, somehow it seems that you're not able to focus on your own self because you're not free, and there is some health issue, or some sort of muscle issue, back pain or headache or whatever it is, nerves issue or something of that sort is there. So please focus on that area. Love yourself, because when we are tackling with relationship and money issues, the first thing that gets affected is our health, our food, our lifestyle, our sleep and everything, our medicines and our routine. So please make self-love as the central theme for yourself, so that you can focus on your own self, your health, becomes your priority, your diet and everything, so that you can be free and change your life. I think health has to be your focus. Now the third combination that I gave you was 6, 8, 12. 6, 8, 12 is forgiveness, third eye and insomnia. So here again, decalcify, breathe from your third eye. That will help you to sleep and give up on your regrets and everything. Also forgive yourself for whatever past deeds you have done or mistakes you have done with your own self. At times we start loving somebody who is not good for us. Okay, even if our third eye is nudging us that this person is not good, this opportunity is not good, this partnership is not good, still we go ahead and ultimately we regret. Just forgive yourself, forgive others, breathe from your third eye, decalcify your third eye, plan your life, organize your life, manage your time, and get out of this insomniac life tendency, and making self-love as your central theme. Okay, so these are your 15 choices that I gave you. I hope you like this video. Probably a bit of confusion must have been there. I'm really sorry for that, but I wanted this reading to be a little more personal to you. And do share your comments and feedback in the comment box, and let me know. Do share this video with your loved ones. I'm sure people will like it. So thank you. Please take care. All the best.